Hello, come into my office. Let's work. Okay. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to make a shirt. You can see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and things like that. So this is a shirt that I just made. I'll show you how I did this. We're just going to click out of all of this. I'm going to save this because I have not done that yet. We're going to file, new document. Now I created this on my laptop and I just screenshotted it and sent it here. So we're going to vectorize this. So I'm just gonna go up here, click vectorize. Okay, so we see this is what it did, but I want it to be exactly how this is, just without the background. So I'm gonna take this and, I'm gonna go here and click 3 colors because it's counting the background as a color. So now you see that it's actually what I wanted. So what we're gonna do is trace it. Boom, we have our logo. I'm gonna accept it because that's what I want. And then we're just gonna go up here and click the cutter. It's gonna bring this up. Typically this is in check, so it'll look like this, the one logo, all colors combined is what you see. I go here, separate by color, boom. So now we have the first logo, which looks all kinds of messed up. Then we have the second one. And what we're going to do, what color shirt do I have? I actually have a black shirt. So let me go grab that really quickly. I have a bunch of freaking vinyl in here. That's not what I need. I think this is pink. Okay, I'll just use this. I don't need this big piece, but it'll work. So I'm gonna take this and it's hard recording and doing this at the same time. So put my vinyl here. Let me see if I can set the phone up some. Okay, boom. All right, so I put it here. I put my clips back here down. So we're back at the computer and I am just going to, actually, I didn't check and make sure this was the size that I wanted. So 6, I'm gonna make it 8 inches wide. Okay, 8 inches wide. 8.5. So I want it to be kind of a bigger print. So we're gonna do 8.5. And then click it there. Here we go, separate by colors. So the first is the white, which is gonna show black here because that's the color I have it set as. But we're gonna go and just click cut now. Proceed with cutting, yes. There we go. Okay, so this is where we are with it. Boom. this, so I'm just gonna do the same thing, but now you can click over to the next color. While that's cutting, we'll do this. Do the same thing with this one. I'm trying to do too much at one time. Reading messages, trying to do this. So the vinyl that I use is premium vinyl. And so when you're done, after you press it, it has the same reaction as not heat press, as screen printing. So I haven't had a lot of times where the vinyl is gonna peel because one, you need to make sure it's being applied at the right temperature, it's being cut at the right pressure, and that you're pressing it for the right amount of time. You just can't cut something out, just think you're gonna press it and that's gonna be that. You can burn the shirts. You cannot press long enough, which is gonna cause definitely did not cut in the middle of this like I wanted to. So what we are going to do about this, okay, so you see this is supposed to be a C and it's not. It's too connected to the O. I didn't realize that on here. So I am going to just cut through like that. There you go. So the O is still there. And I'm just gonna take, let me go back and look at the logo. Oh, it looks like that on the freaking logo. Okay, never mind. We're not gonna do anything because that's how it looks on there. But do I like that is the question. I don't think I do. So we are gonna do something. We're just gonna take a snippet out right here. Boom and boom. Don't try this at home. Okay, so basically I just made it into the C that I wanted it to be. So let's go over to the heat press. I already had it. It's already warmed up. I have it at 360. And what I'm going to do is place this. So make sure I have a thing where I line up the shirt with the lines in the back of the heat press. So there are other tools that you can use, but I mean, I've been doing this for at least 4-5 years now. Okay, boom. So there we have it. And then we're going to take a piece of parchment paper, set it over the top. We're gonna press it. Okay. Move this out the way. See if it's ready. Okay. All right, so we have our first layer. And you can kind of see where I have to place the second layer on here. So I'm gonna place that and then I'm gonna come back. Or I'm just gonna sit the phone down. Right there is perfect. Okay, so this is our second layer. Before we press it down, you see where I cut the little thing off. So we have that small piece right there from where I cut. It'll be okay because it's an overlay, so it matches the. When I redesign it, I'm going to just erase that part out, but I just wanted to do a quick sample. I just created these logos for the new year. I like to do a little like updates throughout the year. Okay, so like here, so like this vinyl is a cool peel. You can tell that because when you lift it up, it's not ready yet. So we're just gonna press it for a few seconds. All right, that is enough. I am going to take the shirt and I'm going to lay it here to cool off. And then this is the shirt I just created. This is felt. So this is, it's just felt. You can touch it. It's like, if you can see, it's a little more raised than than these. It pops out. See? Very cute, very freaking cute. So I like to just try new things. And this is also a vinyl too, and you didn't even know it. Y'all be thinking y'all know what's what, and you ain't even know. Okay, so now we are ready. I just have to hold it because, okay, so that part just ripped off from where I cut it at, which is fine. You just take it off. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're gonna put it back on the press. And there we have a perfect shirt. Let me take it off here so you can see it better out in the light. Period. These will be going on sale. So I'm going to do these little videos more often, just checking in, showing you guys what I do. And I'm so awkward, but yeah, bye.